This week I'm testing the new Volvo S60 sedan. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the S60 there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages behind the headrests in this fixed parcel shelf. Now they are within a big plastic guided area each one, and they're relatively easy to access because these headrests fold forward nicely. Now I did manage to get 3 child seats across the back here, one full-size forward facing in the central seat and a booster seat on either side. Now with a rear facing child seat you could put them in the outer seats but not the central one. There just isn't room across the middle there. I found with a rear-facing child seat, I'm 162 centimetres and I could sit in the driver's seat, but no one really taller than that could. In the back of the S60, storage is pretty good. There's a fold down in the central seat back. Now that has a tray compartment for your phone and then a lidded area as well. And in front of there is a little pull out with 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Now there's a proper 150 watt socket in the back of this central console, great for charging things while you're driving along. There's 2 map pockets in the back of the front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are quite small in the back here. They will hold a 600ml water bottle, and there are the little storage wells in the handles too. In the front the storage is good too. In the central console here there are 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and there's 2 little storage areas in front of there, one of them with the 12 volt socket. Now the central console storage box is a good size and has USB ports in there, and there's a net on the side of the central console box as well for storage. Now the glove box is a good size. It will easily hold my iPad and my wallet. The door bins are quite shallow, but they will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's the handles in the doors as well. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Volvo S60. Empty, it will hold 13 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 4 shopping bags, the Flex tandem stroller and 5 shopping bags, the Urban Jungle single stroller and 5 shopping bags, or the Nano compact stroller and 10 shopping bags. No dog will go in this boot. The S60 is a really nice car to drive. I do enjoy driving sedans. It's very smooth and quiet, it's a very relaxed position, and visibility is good for a sedan. The media system in the Volvo S60 is quite simple to use. You've got some screens where you swipe down, then you've got your settings and things like that. And then when you swipe to the right, you've got all your auto engine cutout and things like that you can adjust for yourself. There is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is really good. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear. You can change the view, which is really good. And you can turn the parking sensor volume down just with the buttons on your steering wheel as well. So to sum up with the S60, it's a really lovely car to drive, and it does have some great practical family features, and I could get those 3 child seats across the back.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.